Realtor, self-employed, quarterly estimated tax payments. How much do you pay? When do you pay? How do you determine this? Should you do it? Yes, yes, yes. Why? To avoid penalties and interest. The IRS expects you to pay taxes evenly throughout the year. The due dates, June 15th, that's second quarter. September 15th, third quarter. January 15th is fourth quarter, and it starts all over again on April 15th. That's quarter one. Now, if you're an LLC, okay, you don't want to be taxed as a partnership that I know of. If you're an LLC, you can be a partnership. If you're an LLC, you can be filing Schedule C, or you can be an S Corp. LLC has nothing to do with taxes. It's legal designation. Here's the deal. If you're an Schedule C filer, that means you don't file a separate tax return. You're going to take your commissions and you're going to multiply it times 28%. And that's what you're going to send into the Fed. Now, with that, if you are an S Corp, you probably are going to pay somewhere around 13% and pay that into the Fed. So you end up paying less overall taxes with an S corporation. So you need to really look into that. Got more videos and a link related to that. You're going to pay more because of self-employment taxes on Schedule C. Really what you're looking at is what is the time period in which you are paying in your taxes for. So for second quarter, which is June 15th, you're paying it in for the activity that you had in April and May. When you are in September 15th, you're paying for the activity that you had in June, July, and August. And when you're into fourth quarter, now you're paying for the activity for September, October, November, and December. And when you get to first quarter, April 15th, you're paying for January, February, March. All you're paying for is the months previous to the due date for the commissions that you earned then. You're probably thinking, well, why would I pay it on the gross? Well, you're paying actually that effective tax rate. This is somewhat of an average. You got to have a tax professional. Here's the thing I want you to know. I am JJ the CPA, and I am here making Realtors tax smart. Go to jjthecpa.com. Got a course for you. Teach you how to do all of these things, how to be an S Corp step by step, and how to go about figuring out these things if you're going to FSBO on your taxes. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. I'd love it if you'd subscribe. And then don't you ever forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. You have a great one. All right, hey, check out the links here for where do you pay, additional info. Here's the deal. I'm glad you're paying attention to taxes. Check out the other videos.